welcome to my art channel. I have a quick little video for you here today. I'm working on a 14-inch round acrylic panel, and I'm going to do a monochrome pearl pour. So I have Artist Loft Soft Body White and Deco Art Satin Enamels mixed with my pouring medium and then thinned down to a very thin consistency. It leaves a little bit, it doesn't leave any mound at all. In fact, it indents when it drizzles into the paint or into the cup. And then I have Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. I love this color, it's beautiful. And I know that these two work because I was just at the retreat for Cause Creations, Kathleen's Patreon group, and she invited me to come down and do some demonstrations, paint with everybody, and I had a freaking blast. It was so much fun. Got out of my comfort zone and did some texture stuff. It was a lot of fun, and I did a little demonstration of an experiment using these two colors, and I love the results so much. I kind of want to do something similar. So I have cleaned off my acrylic panel here with a little bit of alcohol, just like I would if I was painting on glass. Just to remove any residue from this, the protective sticker that comes on it, and from anything that was on my hands. And I cleaned off my hands with some alcohol also, so the oils from my fingers don't affect anything. So I'm just going to pour a puddle of my pearl mix here in the center. We're going to spin that out, maybe tilt it a little bit, and get a nice even coverage. And I'm going to put a puddle in here, and I'm going to blow it out just like I would a bloom, and hopefully get lots of pearls. And when I spin it out, I think it will stretch out really interestingly. I didn't spin out the one that I did at Cause's retreat, but the table was very unlevel, which happens a lot when you're working in a hotel. The tables are never even and level. They get used a lot. So it stretched out in a really interesting way. So I'm going to see if I can get something similar with using my spinner. We shall see. There are a lot of air bubbles here, but when I'm doing a pearl pour, I like to leave my air bubbles, because the air bubbles, when they rise up and pop, they bring this base layer up and it creates more pearls. So I'm not going to pop air bubbles until the end. So I'm just going to put a puddle right here basically in the middle. That was probably a lot, but that's okay, we'll work with it. If this doesn't work out, I'll just blow it out with my hairdryer, but for now we're going to blow this out with our mouth. And here we go. We're going to let that sit for a moment and develop before we spin. I'm probably going to lose a lot of this outside edge, and I'm okay with that. I'm really interested to see, there are some pearls coming up here in the center, but the thinner the color gets over top of the pearl base, the more likely you are to get pearls. So the paint is still pretty thick in these dark areas here, but as I spin it, it should get thinner and it may fill in with more pearls. It's a beautiful reaction. This is the easiest and most versatile pearl recipe I have found. Lots of people do pearls. Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara Art. Sarah Taylor does amazing pearls. Kiwi Pearls has her own recipe also. Lots of people have their own pearl recipes. This is the most versatile and the easiest, especially for beginners. Look at this one color and look at the variety of colors I've got in there. I love it. Okay, this is really beautiful. I'm very happy with this. Let's spin it out and see if any pearls develop in the center. It's a thin consistency paint, so I don't have to spin fast. I am using my spinner from Jessica Winterstrom. It's a perfect size spinner for this. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. That Payne's gray gives you gray, but it also gives you blue. What a beautiful color. Wow. Let's give it another spin. Still a lot of paint on there. Oh. Woo. That's pretty. I actually really like the dark center. I'm thinking maybe I don't want many pearls in there. Really good contrast with the rest of the design. But I think one more spin, let's see. I think that's good. This is very thin consistency paint, so it should dry fairly quick. And let's just check our sides and I will bring you in for a close-up. Good. Okay, let's look and see how this is developing. I popped the air bubbles and I'm getting a lot more pearls here. The ones from the initial blowout look like cells and lacing, which is gorgeous. Look at that. Really pretty. That dark center was not my plan. I was hoping it would kind of fill in, but now I'm hoping it doesn't. What amazing contrast. I love it. Lots of gray, lots of blue. Very, very monochrome. Look at those cells there. Wow. I love cells. And pearl pours are one of my favorite ways to make them. That shadow along the outside edge there is really pretty. I'm very happy with this. I hope you are too. Thank you very much for watching my quick little video. I hope it inspires you to go out and try something new. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you go. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.